If your data storage system is running critical services, you need to be sure that it remains stable in all potential scenarios. Hot swap events are a major part of this. We cover that in more detail in our hot swap video. Interruptions and faults, such as damaged connectors and power events, also need to be tested in detail. You can check out our video about power analysis too. In this video, we're introducing our all-in-one testing program, the Quarch Compliance Suite. Users might already be familiar with our testing tools and their simple automation options, but for those who want to perform a range of tests without the need for specialist training or custom scripting, Quarch Compliance Suite is for you. QCS is an all-encompassing package that automates the test process from start to finish. QCS simulates a variety of scenarios that the user can command at the touch of a button. Qualifying your storage system to the industry standards has never been quicker or easier. Simply select your Quarch module, then the drive you want to test, and run your tests. Your results are comprehensively displayed in real time, allowing you to detect any faults right away. Multiple test suites are available and have regular updates to keep up with standards, industry best practice, and the most common failure scenarios.